your ass out. Got a brother wanting it so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, I'm the fly about it. Catch you at the club, your hips have got me feeling. Body talking quick to me, but I think I ran the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then get some chance doing 80 on the freeway. Catch me if you can, forgive me, I'm a rider. Still I'm just a simple man, all I want is money plus the fame. I'm a simple man, Mr. International. Play with the passport, just like a Latin switch. Get you anything you ask for, either him or me. The champagne, Hennessy, favorite of my homies when we floss on our enemies. Witness as we creep to a low speed beat. What my foes need, make some emojis for you don't need. Approaching me with the passion for the long day, but I've been driven by attraction in the strong way. Your body is banging, baby, I love the way you're flowing. Time to give it to daddy, sugar, now tell me how you want it. I was raised as a youth, so you forgot the scoop on how to get a book. When I was a teenager, those guys leads and gave rules from the age to my adversaries, to my adversaries, to my adversaries. Now I don't want to hear the woman, but the shit gotta come in. Someone better keep this bitch when she gets kicked in the stomach.